What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to connect a phone to a 2018 Lincoln Navigator using the Bluetooth. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones would be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into your phone's settings and go into your Bluetooth and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now if we take a look at our radio screen, if you're not already there, go ahead and click the phone menu here. Once it takes us to this screen, we'll click Add Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And as the voice prompt said there, we'll take a look at our phone under Devices and click Lincoln Navigator.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And as the voice prompt said there, we'll make sure this pin number here matches this pin number here. And it does, so we'll click Yes. And then on our phone, we'll click Pair. This is just asking if I want to give access to my contacts. And just wait a few seconds while it completes.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And now we're connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.